You're going sliding, big boy.
String?
Aiden.
Well, her dog's on.
Uh-oh. Where are we going? He can't see.
We can't?
He can't. Oh, now he can. Okay, here we go. Crash.
We'll go again? Yeah. Of course you do. Hurry. Hang on. I'm trying to go up the hill. Here. Want to walk up? Here. Grammy's getting the most embarrassing part. Hi, Booga. You want to get out? You want to sit in the snowbank?
Want to go sit in the snow?
Yes? Alright, I don't know if I can get up.
Uh-oh.
Here.
Put him on his belly and see if he...
Huh? What? Put him where? Just up here.
We won't record that. We won't record that. Hey, buddy. Say hi, Graham.
Hey. Hey. Let's go see. Let's go sit in the snow.
Boom!
Hi. Hi. What?
Are you in the snow?
Whoa.
Got some nice boots there, buddy.
You gonna kick them off? What? Oh. Would you see it? You want to get down and see it? Go ahead. What is it? Is that snow? Is my camera inside here?
Does it get some snow? Ooh!
Oh.
Whoa! Where you going? Hey, silly.
I have to go get my camera.
Hey, silly boy. Aiden. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Huh? Oh, I can't see. It's awful. Yeah.